Hi guys, welcome back to this advanced mathematics YouTube platform with full day by day training session for your future national exams, pure maths, applied maths, combined maths, additional mathematics exams or further mathematics, mechanics exams, all type of problem solving, especially local combined maths lamai වඩාත්ම සුදුසු YouTube ඔයගලන් බලන් ඉන්නේ දැන්. So all expected problem future ප්‍රශ්න අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එනවාමයි. paper leak questions තමයි උපරිම techniques පෙන්නම් කරන්නම් through this video. Therefore please subscribe this, then you will catch up all type of solving expected tricky challenging problems for your future any type of exams as I mentioned earlier. So subscribe කරන්න අනේවරුම් subscribe பண்ணுங்க. Thank you so much for this my view this video series. Today the day for applied mathematics, one superb applied maths, combined maths part 2 structure paper, essay paper. So this problem under statics, the problem is there over my that institute group or thumbnail, you can see, or I'll explain the problem once again. Two uniform rods AB and BC, two uniform rods AB and BC, uniform, their length 2A and 2B, length 2A and 2B, and their weights 2W and 3W, 2W and 3W, right? So they smoothly jointed at B, smoothly jointed at B. This is B. Always read the problem quickly, rough diagram එක දාගන්න වෙනවා. They are in equilibrium in a vertical plane. A vertical සිරස්තලේ සමතුලිතාවය තියෙනවා. සමනිලයිල ඉලක්කනද සිරස්තලය. With vertical plane, with a resting or a rough horizontal plane. So one rod A rest rough horizontal plane, and the other one vertical support, they say guide, resting against a smooth vertical guide. This is smooth here, rough, then technique if you read the rough කියනවා, smooth කියනවා. So friction force, ඝර්ෂණ බලයක් මෙතනට එනවා නේද? උරායිවොන්ඩ இருக்கும் இங்க. So furthermore they say the point A is further from the vertical guide than B. Beta வடா A தூர වැඩි, நீட்டம் கூட நீளமா இருக்குது, தூரம் கூட இருக்குது. And this is, they say angle is alpha, this is angle is beta, the rods makes with the horizontal and with the vertical support, vertical guide, right? And what the question is, all in equilibrium position, show that 3 tan alpha tan beta is 8. Interesting part. At least this make a විතරක් වතහන්න පුළුවන් නේද? 3 tan alpha equal 3 tan beta equal to 8. The මට්ටුමාවද කේකලම්. Later part they said if mu is the friction coefficient ඝර්ෂණ සංගුණක mu උරායිව කුණහම් ඔන්න මෙතනම ඝර්ෂණයක් තියෙනවා mu. So they say now for equilibrium tan beta less than or equal 10 mu over 3, or beta less than or equal tan inverse 10 mu over 3, right? So interesting problem. So under what section is this? Applied maths or combined maths part 2 paper. Statics, force diagrams, forces, jointed rods, and friction ඔක්කොම mix කරලා mix fruit එක ලස්සනට හදමු අපි ලස්සනට කමු. Okay, see that idea. The applied maths ළමයි diagram හරියටම තියන්න ඕනේ. See, I show the force diagram first. A vertical guide, a rough horizontal plane. So they said two rods එකක් මෙහෙම එනවා. පස්සේ maybe like this. Okay, they say see here, this is B and here A, right? Two rods. When you're just studying or learning or calculating, problem solving under jointed rods, do not join the hinge. hinge ටික common එක join කරගන්න එපා. join කරාම පොඩ්ඩක් කරදරයි. මෙතන අපිට force එක mark කරන්න. leave a gap and show properly the forces. Okay, I'll mark the forces now. First we apply the weight of these AB 2W. Okay, this is, but I think draw a big diagram. Then this hariyata lassana diagram. The local තිබ්බොත් පැහැදිලි ළමයි. Always draw a big diagram, mark clearly all the parts. So it comes like this, and here, okay, this is what C, here B, this is A, this makes an angle alpha कोणम, make a beta. හරියට ප්‍රශ්න කියවන්න thumbnail එක තියෙනවා, group එකේ දාලා තිබ්බා. So what is that? Now I mark the weight of these. At the middle point it's weight W, right? And here it's weight W. The smooth rod AB 2A length. Therefore this is A here, A hare, make it B here, B, right? Then what any other force, the joint. So මෙයාට එකක් දෙනවා, මෙයා අරයට දෙනවා, joint එකේ වටපිටාව support එකක් දෙනවා, equally and opposite. But we also the vertical, horizontal. But to easy calculation, a joint force අපි දෙකට කඩනවා, two horizontal, vertical, two components ළමයි, two component. One I take vertical component, other one horizontal. I say vertical here Y. So here below Y, Newton's law වගේ සම opposite. මේක අර පැත්ත x කියමු. එමනම් මේක මේ පැත්ත x. එච්චරයි ළමයි the forces. Also here smooth perpendicular action S. And here R, perpendicular, vertical, perpendicular reaction. You know, rod could be slip that side. එහා පැත්ත listen බලනවා වලුහුම්. The friction මෙතන opposite කරනවානේ F. Okay. Friction always opposite the movements, object the movement, oppose the movement, right? See, it's the nice picture involving angles, weights, length, everything තියෙනවා. Now see, the problem is show this. කිසිම කතාවක් නැතුව show කියලා කියනවා. So if you're well experienced by working a lot of questions, show කිව්වම what the idea? Try to find one force in two methods. One force in two methods. එක මොනවාරි force එක දෙපාරක් අරගෙන සම කරන්න answer එන්න පුළුවන්. That's the technique. Okay, see how to get this forces. See how to find the S value. S එක හොයන්නේ ළමයි කොහමද? ඉස්සරෝම idea එකක් ගමු අපි හදන්න කලින්. See the BC force acting for the rod BC, acting forces are weight, S, X and Y. If I take BC about the joint B, moments. Okay, about the joint B, for the rod BC, take the moments gamu tiruputtirna edunga paapom. Then what happened? X, S available, W available, no, these forces are absent, vanishes. So you can find the S1 equation lamai. Now the whole system, wherever we called about, speak about, discuss about the system, or horizontal and vertical forces equally and opposite forces are zero. Vertical cancel වෙනවා, horizontal cancel වෙනවා, system කියලා ගත්තාම. So this system to හුදිය කරදී විට්ටල් මේක කැපෙනවා නේද? එහෙමනම් CB and AB. CB and AB, take the moments about A ළමයි. Take the moments about A. S there, here 0, W is there. You can find the W. That's the interesting technique. Simply we can find the answers. So මෙතන W is දෙකම W නෙවෙයිනේ hello. One is 2W, other one is 3W. 2W, 3W. Okay. So ලියන්න පටන් ගමු. ලස්සනට ලියලා තියාගන්න. For rod BC, equilibrium of the rod BC, take the moments about B, right? Take the moments about B. Put the direction also, moment mean tirupam. Visai tara duram, force into distance, vertical distance. So force is S. What the distance lamai this? Line of action, make L. What that? 2b cos beta. 2b cos beta, okay, this side. This minus මම මෙතන ඉන්නවා මේක මෙහාට rotate මේක මාව මෙහාට focusing me 3w minus 3w. So what is that? This is for line of action. Make cal. You know, if you prepare a 90 degrees triangle, lamai so many method ඔක්කොම ලකුණු කරගෙන යන්න අනාගතයේ fit karaganda beta 90. This is 90 by minus beta lamai. So b cos 90 minus beta sin beta, okay, b sin beta hari neda equal to 0, okay. Therefore what is S answer? Find S. B cancel 3w over 2 sin beta divide by cos beta tan beta never either, okay. I say number 1, S equal 3w2 tan beta. Try to find, again there's another method. As I mentioned earlier, lamai, CB dadu dekatama ganda A වලින් moments gamu rendu CBAB A patti tirupam. So for rods AB comma BC, right? For rods AB comma BC, take the moments about A. It also අර පැත්තෙම දාන්නම්කෝ S ලස්සන්ට ලියන්න S into 4 is S lamai. Line of action, distance is සම්පූර්ණයෙන් ඕනේ. කොහොමද වැඩේ වෙන්නේ සම්පූර්ණම 2b cos beta 2b, okay, line of action, distance here 2b cos beta and 2a cos alpha sin alpha. Check will you? 2b cos beta 2a sin alpha. 2b cos beta හරියට බලන්න plus 2a එක sin alpha cos නෙවෙයි sin alpha, okay. This is 2b cos beta. You know here alpha means this is 90 minus alpha. මෙතන 2a cos 90 minus alpha sin alpha. Therefore 2a sin alpha ඉවරයි. Now come to the forces. W weight එක weight 3w minus 3w minus 3w. This is the line of action. The total distance metana 2a cos alpha and this part 2a cos alpha plus what? This one 3w into 2a cos alpha plus b sin beta, right? B sin beta. On finally minus 1w lamai, finals that minus 1w a cos alpha, okay. A cos alpha lassanai wede iwarai. So it's the technique. So for rearrange kana poddak api S into can I take 2 out lamai? B cos beta is it okay? Vertical 2 cos beta that B cos beta plus A sin alpha, okay. Can I take that side? Take the W out ganda lamai. So 6A cos alpha 6a cos yeah, 2w here 2w හරියට බලන්න 6 multiplied by 3b sin beta. Take the 2 out, w out, 2a cos alpha. Okay, therefore furthermore simplify all pure maths applied maths ඉවරයි. Solving ඔක්කොම ශුද්ධ ගණිතය 2 යකනද වේලතන් සුරු කරද තීර්පදු b cos beta ළමයි plus a sin alpha, okay. And on වැඩේ w 6a 8a cos alpha on 8a kella kenavane the 8a cos alpha plus 3b sine beta. Okay, say number 2, say second equation. I have said earlier, find the s in two methods and equate. So here I1, here 2. Connect karamu. On s tagana damuda lamai 2 s tademma 3w tan beta over 2 into inside b cos beta plus a sin alpha. Okay, is it okay? The other side w into 8a cos alpha plus 3b sin beta. Okay, nice work. Now see both side cancel. 2 cancel my w out. So therefore 3 tan beta b cos beta plus a sin alpha equal 8a cos alpha plus 3b sin beta. Now check the answer. My answer in terms of only 8 one side, 8 vitarak tani ekapetta karang yamu. Therefore, I think, can I divide all terms sin alpha cos alpha? Divide current the sin alpha cos alpha. Full term divide by sin alpha cos alpha. Everywhere divide by sin alpha cos alpha balanda podda. So 3 because sin over cos near the tan. Emanisa divide all the parts sin alpha cos alpha. Sin alpha sin cos beta sin alpha cos alpha. Yeah, sin alpha cos alpha divide karamu the sin alpha cos alpha divide all the part. To think what happened, how this 8 comes, or divide by the sin alpha cos alpha 3b sin beta. Yeah, b 3b ganda puluwang hemat puluwang if I take rearrange alpha one side other side. Then put the harrieta kalpanaving veda karandone sin alpha. I said cos alpha cos beta divide karande anama. Divide by cos alpha cos beta. Here b cos alpha cos beta divide karamu. Cos beta cancel, cos alpha plus a cos alpha cos beta divide, then tan alpha cos beta below. Or any method you can make amarna tawa method there balanda cos alpha cos beta divide 8a equal to 8a cos alpha cos beta divide, so 3b tan beta enamati over cos alpha. Okay, so can I change balanda multiple karla में 3b over cos alpha 3b over 3b over tan beta cos alpha අරපැත්ත තියෙනවනේ cancel එක cancel ඔන්න කැපිලා ගියා ළමයි balance 3 tan beta 3a tan beta tan alpha over cos beta, okay, equal 80. Okay, cos alpha multiple 3b tan beta cos alpha. There is cancel there, okay. equal 8a. So both side a cancel. I see 3 tan alpha, 3 tan alpha tan beta equal 8. 3 tan alpha tan beta equal to 8. 3 tan alpha tan beta equal to 8. That's that part. Divide by cos alpha is tan alpha. Yes. Cos beta, cos alpha. Yes, that's the answer for that part. Now see last part here, beta less than or equal tan inverse on Narakam. So you know the experience sort of a lot of questions come under friction problem. F over R less than or equal to mu. Neither. So where is friction act here? Friction part method. So friction force divide by the total perpendicular reaction should be less than or equal to mu lamai. F over R less than or equal to mu, right? F over R less than or equal to mu. Therefore, find F, find R. Balamu dehema. So for the whole system, right, that for the system, they were upward resolve vertically up R equal 5W. Okay, for system vertically resolve R equal that. For system, S kohemulamai horizontally apply current for system F equal S. F equal S. SF system किंवा මෙතන බිඳුව. Okay. Therefore divide 1 by 1. Most of the friction වලින් ඉවර කරනවා F over for equilibrium less than or equal mu. If equilibrium break the part greater than mu and on. So FD therefore F over R equal S over 5W. Okay. So what is F over R? S, what is S? On the maker down, S is this better answer. 3W over 2 tan beta, 3W over 2 tan beta, 3W over 2 tan beta. There's a 5 already here, am I? Therefore, F over R is F over R equal 3 over 10. Okay, 3 over 10. Yeah, W at the C. W cancel 3 over 10 tan beta. So now come back to this, write a sentence. For equilibrium, F over R or limiting equilibrium F over R less than or equal mu. Therefore, 3 over 10 tan beta less than or equal mu. Therefore, beta equal less than or equal tan mu or tan inverse. You cross multiple, find the tan inverse done, cross multiple. Yet beta is an acute angle between 0 and pi by 2. When beta suddenly increase, tan also increase. This angle increase, tan value increase. Therefore, this inequality valid. Beta less than or equal tan 10 mu over 3. A superb question. So many parts. Once again, refer this video, try your own work, close the video and try your own, mark all the necessary points and improve your knowledge. Okay, we'll see you next time with another attractive pure maths, applied maths, any type of question series, paper out series for your future exams. Bye.